Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you watched my last video, you saw how crazy and messy my bedroom was. Believe it or not, this video was actually taken prior to that video. So we were in the process of trying to reorganize everything. So we pulled a lot of things that were in different corners out of the way and moved them to the front of the room. We just have a lot of things on the wall that needed to be taken out. So this is my attempt to kind of get everything organized before we went on our trip. Here I'm just taking out a new bed sheets and pillowcases that I just got and putting away my favorite quilt. I'm also clearing a path between the door and the walkway of the room, just trying to get everything off the floor to make it a little easier to walk through. I think that it's important to just have a nice clear path. So that's what I'm focusing on here. Taking out the trash, putting a new trash bag inside the trash can, and just trying to tidy up as much as possible. With the new baby, we decided that we were going to move my office into our master bedroom. And with that, I said, you know what? All these things that my husband had in our master bedroom, it has to go because it just makes our bedroom really cluttered. One of the things that needed to go was his portable spa or sauna. I hated that thing in the room, but he loved it in here. Well, that's gone. I'm a really big fan of tools, and I got this grabber from Amazon. As you can see, I'm carrying my baby, so it's kind of hard to bend over and pick up things from the floor. So I got this grabber to help me pick things off of the floor and throw them in the trash or just put them away. And it's fun. I like doing it. I have different sizes. I have this one and I have a slightly longer one as well. But it has been super helpful just to get things off the floor, especially when I don't want to bend over. So another big thing that we got rid of from the bedroom was this rowing machine. In my mind, I really don't understand why a rowing machine is in the bedroom, but that's gone as well. I don't know about you, but I am a big fan of a nice storage unit type thing. So I got these linen storage containers from Amazon, and I'm just packing away our mattress cover to be put nice and neatly in the closet. I know you guys have noticed that I'm wearing a bunch of different outfits and the lighting looks different in all of these clips. Well, that's because this is a montage of me cleaning this room over the course of a few days. I am a mom of 3. I'm also a work from home mom, so I only have so much time in the day to get things done. So I just try and get things done when I can. As an adult, we all know that cleaning and organizing is a never-ending story. It's something that has to be done no matter how much you dislike it. Some people may like it. I don't like it, but I know it has to be done. So it just feels like whenever I do clean a space up, within a few days, everything is back to chaos. So it is just a never ending job. But I have found that recording myself and kind of seeing how I have made progress with my cleaning or tidying up my room makes it worthwhile. Like it kind of makes it fun to do. So that's why I'm just making these videos, just to hold myself accountable and also just kind of to see the transition from chaos to organization. I'm also doing it too because I know I watch a lot of cleaning videos for motivation and I see how pristine and organized and beautiful everybody's home is. And I'm just like, my home is not like this. So I just kind of wanted to put some content out there too that isn't perfect and isn't pristine, that just kind of feels raw and at least real for me, because I hope that maybe there's someone out there too that is experiencing the same thing I am or has a home that looks like this, that doesn't look like the picture perfect YouTube videos or picture perfect Pinterest boards. Now, one person that does have a really beautiful home and knows how to clean and knows how to organize is my sister-in-law, who you will see here. And she is helping me to make this bed. We've busted out our favorite mattress vacuum and we're just vacuuming, trying to get all that dust and all the dead skin that just happens to get on the bed just with use. And it's just fun to use. It makes the bed smell nice and just makes everything feel clean and sanitary. She's also putting on the new bed covers and duvet that we got just to help brighten the room. So we got a nice white or cream color just to kind of make the room feel a lot lighter and brighter. And it really did a good job of just making everything pop, made everything feel really clean and pretty and bright. So I'm glad that we got this color. I'm glad that we got this cream color and set up the bed like this. When I tell you my girl has an eye for space, she really does. So we're just removing all these random things that I have on the side of the bedroom, and she's staging the room to just make it look so nice and organized. And to finish it all up, we are giving the room a nice vacuum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe.